Hello, dear Leo. Welcome back to my channel, and this is your weekly reading for the month of July, third week. This is going to be exclusive love plus career reading, so let's begin. In your love life, you've got the Six of Moons and the Lovers, which is also a six. So I do feel that at probably 6 p.m., 6 a.m., 6 months ago, 6 weeks ago, 6 days ago, or 6 hours ago, you found out something about your partner, either that he's lying to you or cheating on you, because you've got a lover's card, you've got a third party card. There is definitely somebody who is between the two of you. You don't have an exclusive relationship. If you are single and you're talking to people through dating apps or matrimonial apps, do know that they are also talking to multiple people. If you are in a relationship or you're married, there could be extramarital affairs or your partner is cheating on you. Like, I do see that you're looking backwards into something like in your past when maybe things were not like this or your partner was more exclusive, right? I do see that this can cause you a lot of pain as well, but you have somehow accepted that. But now the thing is that you are at a cross point. This is a time for you to make a decision whether you want to stay with this person or whether you want to leave this person. So this is a major choice that you might have to make this week, right? Everybody is going through different situations. Everybody has their own baggages. Whether they really are that strong to leave this relationship or not is totally up to you, right? So I leave this choice to you, but I know that there's a third party situation involved because of which your relationship is being affected. Let's see what's happening in your career now. You've got the card of Cardinal and the Judgment card. It is a risky move that you're making. In your career, you want to take a risk, maybe invest in trade or stock, try a new business, make a switch altogether, right? There is a risky move which will give you success, right? But at the same time, only if you're careful. The Judgment card talks about your efforts versus the results. So if you've put 100% results, you will get 100% rewards. But you have put 10%, then only 10% will come your way. Now, the success that is coming to you in the third week of July is directly proportionate to your efforts. So, if you think you've done your best and you've done your research, the background checks about the companies, the people that you're involved with in business, if you've read the contracts carefully, if you've done your bit of hard work and upgraded your skills, then sure, be rest assured that good success, good money is going to come your way. Promotions are going to come your way this week. You're going to hear that more opportunities are showing itself to you. But yes, you have to be careful, right? Be sure, be rest assured that whatever is coming this week for you is directly proportionate to your effort. So don't think that, oh, this is less or this is more, because you should know after this video that whatever you have achieved or received this week is exactly what you had sown in the past, right? So please make sure that you're working very hard, you're giving 100% so that when it comes to the judgment day, you get the right benefits, okay? If I see this is going to be a very important week for you, very challenging one also, especially in your love life, this is a card to make major decisions. Even in your professional life, there is a call for you which is asking you to, weigh the pros and cons of a situation and then make a decision. And the similar story is happening in your love life. So please make sure that you're making wise decisions. You're not taking any shortcuts. You're putting your best out and also protecting your future. Okay, this is going to be, yes, like I said, important yet challenging week for you. So please take care of that, follow the instructions. And yes, this was a general reading. If you would like to book your own personal reading, I take personal readings as well. You can check out the description box. I have a host of services available, including rituals, exclusive love reading, no contact reading, counseling sessions as well. You can either email me at the given email ID or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram also. Show some love to that new channel which I've specially opened so that you guys can stay updated. And yes, all the prices are uploaded over there in my stories on a daily basis so that you don't have to, specially email me for that. So DM me, email me to book any reading for prices. Follow me, watch my stories, Or yes, of course, if you still don't get to know the price, you can always DM me and email me to know the prices. Okay. So this was your reading. I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it, resonated with it. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like button, follow me on Instagram. Take care of yourself. I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.